Beast comes marching in. The most decorated athlete in combat sports. Think about Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar has not lost since Survivor Series' third longest title reign of the last 30 years. Into the lion's den.
It is. What will he do to change the outcome of what we've seen?
I had the opportunity years ago at WrestleMania in Santa Clara, Roman Reigns and Brock Lesnar in the middle of an unbelievable matchup. Roman Reigns last year officially declared WWE his yard. Get the for the fight of his life. Only two men. The other, Reigns' opponent tonight, Brock Lesnar. The championship. WrestleMania, Superdome, New Orleans, and Brock Lesnar. And Reigns is not going to back down. He's made that clear as he comes right back. German suplex.
So quick, so strong, so agile.
And Suplex City. Superman punch, Brock's down. Survived 5 Superman punches from Reigns and still delivered an F5. In the ring, champion's advantage. Reigns can only win the title tonight via pinfall or submission. Go to the other side and he hit hard. You can see the men beginning to well up already.
Got to keep Brock Lesnar moving and off his feet.
Watch this. Watch Brock tumble out of the ring. This match against the Beast. And Brock is stunned here in the early going. Hear the thud as Roman's body hit the floor. A bone-shaking suplex. Roman's like a duck on a pond right now. Outside, everything's calm, but inside there's chaos. Oh, belly to belly.
There is so much physicality and impact
in this move. Roman Reigns is hurt. Brock Lesnar just dumped him on his face.
He's got it.
Might be shattered. Looked like Brock was going for another belly to belly. Instead, he just back into the ring. Reigns goes. Titans, there's bound to be some collateral damage. Corey, we've said all along, this match is not going to be pretty. Looks at the WWE fans in New Orleans. The last time these two met at WrestleMania where Suplex City was coined, Roman was experienced as Brock and Reigns don't destroy the table.
Well, now
it's right now. Physically dominate, punish your opponent.
Stronger as the match goes.
I have to agree with you, Coach. Right now, he is beaten up, exhausted. At this very moment, this is reminiscent of when John ever called. And this is heading in that direction with another belly-to-belly. Reigns landed. Watch this incredible strength. And watch Reigns. God, Lesnar tossing the part of the table in our German announce team. Cost him shape right, get the hell out of there. God, the barricade. And the barricade shifted about 8 inches. Boston stuff around at ringside. The look in his eyes, the smile on his face was that night. And that was absolute. Reigns though from behind. Oh, Lesnar off the post. And this could be the opening Roman needs. Roman with a last-ditch effort to try to keep this match even going. The match of the night that has been thus far. Reigns driving Reigns. Lesnar way onto our table. And the Beast. Roman Reigns is this. Watch this impact. And Corey, we are literally two. Roman Reigns knows this is the first. That's it. But look at Lesnar. Roll. 2 massive spears from the challenger.
And now the seemingly instant.
2 in disbelief. There was the first spear. But look at Brock how quickly when it was. Back to his feet. Brock Lesnar. Not quite sure where he's at. Roman Reigns. And face. I think that just shoved Roman Reigns' nose. I can't believe Roman Reigns isn't out cold after that knee. Can believe Roman Reigns kicked out.
Both of these men have taken shots. That other one.
And somehow Roman Reigns kicked out before 3. By Reigns. Wow.
How is
Shattering knee from Brock Lesnar.
I honestly am baffled.
Lesnar is looking at Roman Reigns thinking the exact same thing.
Going for yet another F5 with more impact. Lesnar can't believe it.
Well, every time Roman kicks out, it just...
Leave on the face of Brock Lesnar. Like, how many times do I need to do this?
WrestleMania Super
into the lion's den.
If it is, what will he do to change the outcome of what we've seen?
I had the opportunity years ago at WrestleMania in Santa Clara, Roman Reigns and Brock Lesnar in the middle.